Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omomi and I am the Jane of this here jungle. It's been a long time since I've actually said that. I don't know whether I like it anymore. Maybe I'm a bit too mature to say that now. I'm actually going to be doing another wash and go today. I'm going to rake the product through, so I want to see how shingling works out. I picked up some products. Auntie Jackie's daughter, Aunt Jackie's, can you speak? Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curl Gel, and also Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipes Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. I'm just going to try one today, and then I'll probably come back here and do like a comparison where I do half of my hair. Consistency seems very similar to me, but I'm going to try this one out. I had Mielle products. I'll do probably like a little mini review of these products that I've managed to get my hands on. I've actually already shampooed and conditioned my hair. Use the Afro G, I think it's a green tea shampoo. And today I actually conditioned with the ORS Olive Oil Replenishing Conditioner. I'm going to take the Mielle leave-in conditioner. Just going to take a little bit. I actually don't need as much product as I use. Ooh. Product. Yeah, it's definitely, I would say, a bit looser than Eco Styler Gel. Okay, so let the hair separate as it separates. Smooth it down and then twirl the end. I don't think I'm going to do the twirling thing. I think my hair is going to shrink up a lot more than it normally does. So I'm just going to literally just shingle without twirling. So just how the hair separates. Separate and smooth out the curls. Don't know what it's looking like at the moment actually, because I can't actually really see. This is long. Looks like. My hair is still very wet because I had a shower cap on, and then it's really wet. I mean, this bit of my hair is 4C. It's here. It doesn't curl up like the rest of it. You can see that actually. You can see that here. Fresh on it. This is the hair finish. Shingled. This took absolutely forever. Raking for me gives the same results, similar results. Doesn't take as much time. This is what my edges look like. I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's dry. This is my hair, I would say 95% dry. It's just still a bit wet in the rootage. The tops of my hair. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I have gone ahead and stretched my hair and fluffed my hair. These are kind of like the results of the next day. Yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like. Jumping straight into my thoughts on this gel. This is only day 2, so obviously I can't give like a thorough review of how it lasts for the whole week. First off the bat, I do like the gel. I'm very surprised because I've tried gels that have been formulated and marketed to naturals in the past. They do tend to be sticky, leave the hair quite sticky because they have a pectin in it or agave, keep moisture in the hair, or there's like an extremely high amount of glycerin in it. This doesn't leave the hair feeling sticky at all. I will say that I didn't use it how I normally use it with Eco Styler Gel, for example. The Eco Styler Gel, I use glycerin or I use the Shea Moisture Curling Souffle underneath it because that gel is very drying and very crunchy, so you kind of like need that extra layer of moisture underneath the gel. This gel, I would say that the first day for me isn't as defined. It doesn't clump my curls as the Eco Styler Gel does. So with this gel, my hair looks like how it looks on like the 3rd day. Yeah, because even on 2nd day, my curls are still quite clumped together. If I use the Eco Styler Gel and glycerin, my curls are still very clumped together. So this kind of like gives me results on the 1st day for 3rd day. And I actually like my hair to be clumped and kind of have a slight cast on it because it tends to last longer. And also as well, the ends of my hair will not curl on each other and cause single strand knots. Like for this, I know I'm probably going to have to, I'll probably only get another day out of it and I'm going to have to wash it out. What I would say, a bonus of this gel is that the flaking is very minimal. There are slight flakes, but you can't actually see them on my hair. It's more so when I kind of move my hair around with my hands, I can see a few flakes on my skin, but not actually on my hair, which is fantastic because the Eco Styler Gel, in combination with the curling souffle, it does kind of like leave bally, sticky residue after kind of like day 2, 3. Even though I may only get 1 more day's use out of it, I could probably turn it into a twist it up and see how that actually turns out for day 4.
Me editing self, I just wanted to say that I only actually got 1 more day's wear out of this product. There was quite a lot of flakes around my hairline, and also as well there were very tiny flakes all throughout the hair. The hair was just way too undefined for me to turn into anything. I ended up actually restyling my hair the next day. Day 2 was the last day of this style.
Still got like a lot of movement. I did shingle this time round. I don't know whether the shingling is what has made my hair not clump as it normally does, or whether it's the product. But yeah, all in all, I like the gel, and I'm gonna actually start trying new things to do wash and goes and to style my hair in general. I'm kind of like really stuck on using the same things, and I'm just having to really branch out with what I'm actually trying. I actually really like my hair. I think it looks cute. Yeah, I like it. Before I cut it, it was like here. Here and here, but anyway, you live and you learn, eh? You live and you learn. That's it for me today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in again. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell as well so you get notified when I post a video, because I am posting more now. I'm trying to get back into the swing of it. Leave a comment down below, drop a comment whether you've tried this gel before or any other gels from the Aunt Jackie's line, and any other products from the line that you would like to see me review. You can chat it up in between videos over on Instagram. I am Omomi Akin Lagoon. Just drop me a DM and I will respond. I respond to all of my DMs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Let's check out some of my recent videos just here.